This yoga wheel is so satisfying because whenever I roll my back out on it, I literally can hear my back popping into place, and it's just so beneficial. It feels like just such a relief whenever I get to roll out on my amazing yoga wheels. I get on them daily, and then I start to see how it benefits the rest of my day. Like, my lower back doesn't hurt when I'm in the car for long hours, or I can sit at my computer desk and my lower back won't spike up. And if it does at all I have to do is grab my yoga wheel or grab my smaller one from my shoulders and my neck, and instantly I feel such a relief. And I just love doing it right before bed because it makes me feel so calm. I incorporate some deep breathing while I'm doing it and just move really slowly, and just the back popping and cracking is amazing. I love these yoga wheels so much.